When Nellie bought 5 pencils, she spent the same amount as Benjamin, who bought 3 pens. If Benjamin spent 2/7 of his money buying pens, then he had $45 left. And we're asked, what was the total cost of a pencil and a pen? Okay, if you've been following along all of these questions, you've done quite a few similar problems by now. So let's just draw what we're told here. So Nellie bought 5 pencils. So we've got Nellie's pencils. Okay. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are told that this was the same, took the same amount of money. She spent the same amount of money as Benjamin. So we've got Benjamin's pens, and that was the same as 3 pens. Okay, so we're going to have a bar that is the same total size, but we're going to split it into thirds. Okay, so these are Benjamin's pens. And so this is the value in money is the same. Right, we're also told that if Benjamin spent 2/7 of his money buying the pens, so this cost 2/7 of his money, what was he, if that was 2/7, he had 45 left. Okay, so what we could do is just, I think it's helpful if we've got Benjamin's pens here, we're going to have Benjamin's money. All right, and we'll draw a bar under here. All right, and this, because remember, this is the money that was spent on 3 pens. And we know that that represented 2/7. So this is 1/7. Okay. And this is another seventh. So here we have 2. So if we're not sure, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7 here that's left. And we're told that if he spent this money, he would have $45 left. Let's use a different color just because we can. So this part, these 5 parts, represent $45. And if we divide, so 45, if we divide that by 5, we get 9. So each of these has a value of 9, as do these and this one. Okay, so, and now you can see, what are 2 9s? Well, that's 18. All right, 9 times 2 equals 18. This is all money, so this is $18. This bar has a value of $18. And if this bar has a value of $18, this bar has a value of $18 too. Okay, this is also 18. And if we divide 18 by 3, we're going to get 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So each of these pens costs $6. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay. It also has a total value of 18. And if we want to find the value of one of them, we need to do 18 and divide that by 5, which is going to be 360. Okay, so each of these is 360. Okay, I don't need to write them all in, but that's the cost of 1 pencil. So what are we asked? Well, 1 pencil is 360, and 1 pen, okay, is $6. Now, are we finished? No, we want the total cost. We need to add those together. So 360 add, and I don't know why I've made that 90 over here, because that's wrong. back to my pencil. So that was $6. So 360 plus $6, okay, equals, and remember this is, we have to give whatever our unit is, 960 altogether. And that is our final answer. Okay. You might have, again, as your skill develops and as these models help you visualize what is happening in these questions, you may not need to, you might be able to jump straight and confidently to the calculations that you need to do. I don't think the answer book did it in quite this way, but I think this sets it out very clearly. And of course, you're just going to have to see what occurs to you when you read a problem, how you draw it out. But hopefully that makes it clear what it is that you need to do.